Welcome to this tutorial on how to import videos in Capcut, a powerful video editing application that can help you bring your creative vision to life. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or a complete beginner, Capcut makes the process of importing your video footage a breeze. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to import your videos into Capcut, ensuring that you can start creating your own stunning video content in no time. So friends, first we have to go to Capcut. After that, friends, we will see many options in the first interface, such as sign up and many more. So first we have to click on New Project in this Create. Then we have to wait for a while vertical bar then we can see one options above and below. For example, a FAT, translation also. Friends, we can see an import name option on the left side. So we have to click there. Okay, so what we need to do next is we're going to grab some video here and line up the book like this. Congratulations! You've just learned how to import videos into Capcut. This is the first step toward creating amazing video projects, and the possibilities are endless. Remember, Capcut offers a wide range of editing tools and features to help you refine your videos, add special effects, transitions, and more.